Hey, this is a second take because my phone fell asleep while I was pausing the recording. On iOS, you can take a video and then pause the recording and then continue playing the recording, sort of like VHS or whatever, like when they did it on tapes. So I'm trying the new workflow. But anyways, I had this bag, like kind of like this, but it was gray and it had a hole in it. And instead of throwing it away, like I think most people would, I knew I could use it for something. So what I did was I folded it up and then I shoved it between my e-bike's motor and frame because the piece of rubber that was there, like cushioning this area before, like fell out. So yeah, I just rolled up the bag, shoved it in there, and now the broken, the bag with the hole in it has a new life. And I think that's I don't know, that's a philosophy that I live by. So giving broken things a new way of life, I guess. All right, see ya.